So within TD Snap Motor Plan, the 30 version that you have, I found out that because the home page or the screen has that vocabulary grammar feature, so whenever you press a word, like for example, go, it can change to went or going or stuff like that. It won't let me add my own voice or voice recording to those words. So I was thinking, what other word, like if we were to stick with this app, could you try to record your own voice for? And so my idea for the chase example, you could choose the word chase or run or whatever other specific word you wanted. And so, for example, I didn't know how to find this word. I've never used this word with a student. So I used that little magnifying glass in the top left-hand corner and I looked up chase and I let it guide me there. And so now I know where chase is. So I'm going to go back to that area. So actions, moving actions. I'm going to go up to the editing button in the top right-hand corner, which is the gear with the pencil in front of it. I'm going to click on chase. And I can see here, you'll be able to see whether you can record voice. And it looks like you can't record voice here. So let me look up the word run and see if that's a different version. I think that's under, let's look that up. Still under moving actions, this is the first one. Okay, so run. Sadly, it also doesn't have the ability to do that. Okay. So in this case, let's go back. Go back to regular actions. Let's go and see if any of these. So it looks like because they're grammar pieces, you're not able to add voice recording on here. So what I might want to do is go to a word as simple as more, which I don't always like to use, but that one is not affected by grammar. And so this is how you know when you press on a button, you're in editing mode, you know that you can record voice, is when it also has the little message thing under label. So you'll see that you can speak your own message. So there's a little microphone that you can click on, and then you can select to start a recording. And so it looks like on any action word, you can't do that because of the grammar piece where it changes to chased or chasing or whatever. Whereas a word like more doesn't change depending on the grammar added to it. So let's record a message. More. And so now, obviously, you can have a more fun voice than that one was. But now, let's see, when you click done. So it should just say more. For some reason, my device isn't working for that right now. But now when you look at that button, you'll see that it's going to play my recording that I recorded today. And then when you click done, it should say more with your voice. So I would try it maybe with more. If you find another non-action type word, you can totally do that. But maybe on Monday, you just try it with more and let me know. I will also send you a video on how to do this on LAMP if you end up choosing that one. But for that one, you can choose any word and you can actually record your voice to it. So it's a little less specific on the word you can use your own voice for.